Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Stand with feet shoulder width apart and 1.5 shoulder widths for power. Position the ball slightly forward for your stance and balance weight evenly over the arches. Bend from the hips, not the knees, and keep a slight flex in both knees. Keep your chin up and eyes on the ball while preventing lateral head movement. Limit head movement to about 3-5 inches during the takeaway to maintain balance. This stable address reduces sway and creates a reliable starting platform. Start the club head low and slow, keeping the club face square to the arc. Maintain wrist set slowly as you rotate. Avoid flipping the hands early. Rotate shoulders to 2/3 while keeping hips quiet and stable. Feel a slight weight shift to the back foot, about 60% maximum, not a full lateral move. Practice 3 slow takeaways with a broomstick to ingrain the motion. This controlled takeaway prevents early lateral sway and sets up a consistent backswing plane. Lead the downswing with hip rotation toward the target, not a lateral slide. Initiate with a slight bump of the hips, then rotate them aggressively through the ball. Maintain spine tilt and flex through impact to prevent upper body sway. Keep your head steady while visualizing a rotation around a stable axis. Finish with balanced hold for 2 seconds to ensure stability and rotation. Repeat these steps with 10 balls, focusing on rotation instead of sliding, until movement feels natural and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.